Well, it's that day. Car's clean, and I'm about to head off to Leeds. Why? New car time. So, this one's warming up. See the Land Rover over there looking rather sorry for itself. But I have this coming week off, so I can get on with that. But what's that? 92,969. Be another 170, 180 miles go on it as I head off to Leeds to pick up the new car. I'll be very sorry to see this one go, if I'm honest. It's been a great car, but the big question is, what have I picked next? Well, come with me to Leeds and let's find out. Well, things not going quite to plan. The A1 is shut at Newark, so looks like we're going all round the back roads. Oh joy. Well, I'm here in Leeds. Took rather a lot longer than it should have done, but I'm here. And 187 miles. And I leave this car with 93,157 miles. So, time to find out what I've got next. Let's have a look. And here it is. This is what I've got. A Renault Megane Sport Tourer. And a bit of paperwork to do. Then we'll show you around it better. There's another one. And there's my old car. Yeah, let's see. Well, I think I'm in the wrong position of the job. We've got a Range Rover there, which I'm guessing is the owner's motor, going by the registration number, with sort of flip paint. And then, again, going by the registration number, I'm guessing the finance director has got that 5.0 Mustang over there. So, yeah. But back to the Renault. It's got the large screen in it, which I wasn't expecting, so that's good. Obviously you've got all your digitally bits there. 6-speed box and things. Very nice interior. But I want to get back, so I'll get home and we'll go over it in a bit more detail after I've had a drive. So, see you back in Suffolk. So, while you can't see much, because it is dark, obviously, thought I'd just show you funky lights, because due to all the floods around Yorkshire, it's taken me 12 hours to get to Leeds and back. See funky rear lights, look. 12 hours to get to Leeds and back. Woo! The inside we get all this mood lighting everywhere, look. We've got purple lighting there, purple lighting there, there. Straighten the steering wheel up. You see we got all stuff there. The old screen there. I won't go in too much to this. I'll do a full review, my thoughts later on in daylight. But we have, you know, different driver modes. Sport mode is that. Then we've got comfort mode. All those blue and all the mood lighting changes as well. And in personal, I've set it up sort of how I feel, but it will take a bit of playing around with. The screen is a bit interesting. You got sat nav and bits and bobs and split screens, and that would take much more playing about with. But on the whole, the drive back, it's not been too bad. But it's been alright. It's not a bad car, to be fair. But yeah, I will do a full review in daylight, and I'll see you for that one.